Focus is one of the most powerful tools we have to achieve our goals. When we focus, we direct all our energy and attention toward a single task. This helps us work faster, think clearer, and get better results. But in today's world, distractions are everywhere. Our phones buzz with notifications. Social media pulls us in. Email alerts interrupt our work. These distractions make it hard to concentrate. Why is focus so important? When we lose focus, our brain has to switch between tasks. This is called multitasking, but it actually reduces productivity. Studies show multitasking can lower efficiency by up to 40%. It also increases mistakes and stress. To gain the power of focus, the first step is to eliminate distractions. Here are some simple ways to do that. Turn off notifications. Silence your phone or put it on Do Not Disturb mode. Close unnecessary apps or browser tabs on your computer. Create a dedicated workspace. Find a quiet place where you can work without interruptions. Keep your desk clean and free from unrelated items. Set clear goals. Before starting any task, know exactly what you want to achieve. Break big tasks into smaller steps. Use time blocks. Work for a set period like 25 or 50 minutes, then take a short break. This method, called the Pomodoro technique, helps maintain focus and avoid burnout. Practice mindfulness. When your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to the task. Mindfulness strengthens your ability to focus over time. By eliminating distractions and improving focus, you can complete tasks faster and with better quality. You will feel less stressed and more in control of your time. Remember, focus is a skill. Like any skill, it gets better with practice. Start small and be patient with yourself. The power of focus can transform your life. It can help you learn new skills, finish important projects, and reach your goals faster. Start today. Remove distractions. Focus deeply. See how much more you can achieve.